Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your LinkedIn to Hootsuite. To find the option to add your LinkedIn, go into the social accounts and teams under your profile here at the bottom left, and then click into private account. In here, you can find all of the options of how to add your social accounts. Now, press LinkedIn, and this will require your LinkedIn credentials so you can log into your account. Once you're done with logging in, Hootsuite will list out all of the things it wants access to for you to consider. Once you're done reading it, press Allow. It'll redirect you back into the social accounts page. And you'll see that it's confirmed that the LinkedIn account is now connected to Hootsuite and added to private social accounts. And that's how to connect LinkedIn to Hootsuite.